up on yourself. Right now is a whole lot of I don't know how another thing people right now people not telling us that it's not normal. Me say that's something normal. Yo, photo I just expose massacre. People, our one. Jamaica, subscribe right now. Hit the like button. Kick it, whatever you want. Hey, people, big up on yourself. That's all I'm telling you say right now. So Jamaica, just so Jamaica right now. Right now, over here and good. Hey, people, what do you feel say right now? All the things would have win in this clash, showdown with massacre against the one and only Fort Jenna Bass. I did it down here. Ain't no good again. No. Footer Hype, big up Footer Hype. Footer Hype said, Massacre would have lose before the show even start. People jump in the comments, good. Me I tell them to say people, this is not normal right now. A this dancer needed drama. Bounty Killer get cross, angry. You already know. Don't get the killer miserable. No, the killer had a few things to address. Like the colors are falling from the sky when it's supposed to rain. AKA the rainbow colors. Well, it never sits right with the killer. I don't know, I already know say Bundy Killer is here for the poor people. That's the poor people is government. Hey, big up the killer. Bounty. Jump album general. With that said, people, right now, Massacre versus Idonia. And forwarding up on the program is a rumor dog said Joshy get banned by the shot at them. And it's a team where Joshy is actually overseas. I said, yeah, I live up time. Time to get to the money. Time to be on the side where the grass is more green. Time to steal that problem and get to the money that the real way. So big up Joshy. You see it, and right now people, there's a lot of good things that still are going in the dance hall. You see it. Big up Lady Star. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful appearance. Yes, Sunfest. Something to talk about. Tommy Lee Shelley. People, right now we have a lot of stuff we address. But right now, go in the studio and